Who does not love to enjoy their favorite dishes on their camping or backpacking trip? But to make your outdoor cooking experience efficient, you need to have an outdoor cookware. Outdoor cookware are packed with features that come with technological innovations to make your outdoor cooking fun and efficient. And are you seeking a killer cook set to get your cooking on the trail? Then worry no more, as we have made a list of the best 5 camping cookware that you can have to cook your favorite dishes efficiently. Let's get started.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
Standing out for its packable design, the City Summit Pot Set is one of a kind. It is built for those looking to save space simply and allows you to easily carry it with you on any campsite. The X-Pot has a 2.8-liter volume that's perfect for cooking a meal for 2 campers without any hassle in outdoors. This cooking pot combines the heat distribution of aluminum with the flexibility of silicone for great cooking performance and amazing space savings to offer extreme portability. Its lightweight and durable hard anodized aluminum base allows a fast boil time, and the tall silicone walls make stirring easy to make your cooking experience convenient. This cooking pot's translucent lid gives visibility to what's cooking and has a handy built-in strainer. It also features 2 ribbed silicone handles lock onto the lid to secure the X-Pot during transport. Winner of the Backpacker Magazine's 2015 Editor's Choice Award, the fully featured X-Pot fixes space constraints in your pack with flexible silicone walls that allow it to collapse for compact storage. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit for all kinds of camp cookery, you might want to check out the GSI Outdoors Bugaboo, a feature-packed cookware that can make your outdoor cooking a fun one. This cooking set includes 4 polypropylene plates, 4 bowls, 4 insulated mugs, 4 seepage lids, a 2-liter and 3-liter pot with lid, a fry pan, a pot gripper, and a stuffed sack for ultimate cooking experience. The Bugaboo series cookware features a durable and attractively painted finish that protects the aluminum core from abrasion and oxidation. It also has Teflon Classic non-stick cooking surface on the pots, and fry pan speeds cleanup and resists scratches to ensure longevity. Its BPA-free plastic lids are lightweight and feature integrated strainers, ideal for use with pasta and steamed vegetables. Its EvaFoam sleeves on the mugs keep your beverages hot, while the dual-port seepage tops help prevent spills. The GSI Bugaboo Camper Cookset includes a rugged stuffed sack that doubles as a sink or wash basin for easy cleaning in outdoors. The GSI Bugaboo Camper Cookset is fully equipped to meet your needs on a 4-person backpacking trip or car camping adventure. Get yourself introduced with Stanley Adventure Base Camp, a high-value car camping cook set optimized for performance and compact carry at a high weight. The set includes 3.5-liter pot and vented lid, 7.25 inches frying pan, cutting board, spatula, serving spoon, dish drying rack, trivet, 4 plates, bowls and sporks to ensure you have everything you need for cooking in outdoors. It comes with a scratch-resistant, rust-proof 18x8 stainless steel pot and has vented lids that are durable and BPA-free so that you can use it without any worry. The multi-layer base on frying pan distributes heat evenly to ensure efficient cooking, and it also ensures protection from rust and BPA. This cooking set's cutting board, spatula and serving spoon bring the ease of indoor cooking in the outdoors to make your cooking fun. Their silicone trivet protects table surfaces, while the drying rack eliminates the need for dish towels. This cooking set is also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning experience. Bring the convenience of your home kitchen to the outdoors with the 19-piece Stanley Adventure Series Base Camp's cook set. Everything stores in the 3.7 quart pot, so it's easy to take to your campsite. The MSR Ceramic 2-pot set is ideal for gourmet and health-conscious campers, which guarantees to form the foundation for 3 to 4 campers. This set includes a 2.5-liter pot, a 1.5-liter pot, 1 lid and 1 removable tailor handle. Lid fits both pots so that you can prepare your favorite dishes in outdoors. It has non-stick ceramic coating which ensures your food does not stick while cooking to make your cooking experience convenient. The coating also makes cleaning the set super easy. Made from aluminum, this cooking set is durable and the pot has a removable handle for easy carry. This cooking set's compact, pack-friendly design offers enough room for nesting mugs and plates so that you can easily carry it with you on any outdoor trip without any hassle. The non-stick aluminum MSR Ceramic 2-pot set is perfect for cooking meals in the backcountry. As a one-stop shop product, made up of high-quality components, the GSI Pinnacle Camper wins our Best Overall Performance Award on our list. This cooking set includes 4 polypropylene plates, 4 bowls, 4 insulated mugs with sippet lids, 2-liter pot with lid and many more to elevate your outdoor cooking. Made from Pinnacle series hard anodized aluminum, the pots and fry pan distribute heat evenly for efficient cooking, while its Teflon Radiance technology offers supreme scratch resistance. Lightweight, BPA-free plastic pot lids feature integrated strainers ideal for use with pasta and steamed vegetables. It also has flip-up tabs on top for easy lid removal. Its Infinity polypropylene has a high melting temperature, offering good impact resistance, won't retain odors, and is dishwasher safe. Its EVA foam sleeves keep your beverages hot while the dual-port sippet tops help prevent spills. The compact mug shape is comfortable for both left and right-hand use. The GSI Pinnacle Camper Cook Set includes a welded sink basin that doubles as a carry bag for versatility in outdoors. The GSI Pinnacle Camper Cookset sets you up with the gear you need to accommodate 4 hungry hikers and delivers overall performance to make your outdoor cooking fun. So that was all about the best 5 camping cooking wear for you. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.